Hello and welcome. I will take you through my course on my Moodle site. So Managing Conflict as a Novice Principal is the name of my course. When you come to the site, it will provide you with a description of the course. I have announcements at the top where I just give a simple welcome. And then one of my favorite parts of the course is the course introduction I provided to grab the attention of potential students for this course, potential principals or assistant principals. It provides, I have a voiceover with the slides, and it actually provides a lot of information about the course. I introduce who I am. I introduce who I am, the intended audience, which is principals within their first or third year of experience, as well as assistant principals. And I have pretty much a simple slides on there, and then I provide the skills and the topics that the course will cover. In the course information folder, I have the description again, the objectives, as well as the course materials and the format for the course. Then we go into each week. Week 1, conflict in the workplace. I have my aim, learn, apply, as well as an assignment where they will turn in the DAR worksheet. As an assignment. The aim provides information about what they will learn. The learn provides the chapter 1 that I want them to go over, as well as this video. Under the apply is where I provide the instructions for the DAR worksheet, where they will consider a recent conflict at their workplace and describe, analyze, and reflect on the conflict. So that's week 1. And the rest of the weeks are laid out very similarly. However, this course is heavily discussion format. So they will provide a lot of their responses in the discussion forum. So week 2, they're reading documents, these 2 documents, as well as a chapter in the book. And then they will use one of those documents to actually respond, complete a task, and then add it to the discussion forum so that their peers can have discussion for that week. The third week, resolving conflict between teachers and parents. Again, I have aim, learn, and apply, and the discussion forum task is mastering my story strategy, where they're actually using a strategy from the chapter in the book. I provided them with a similar format as a suggestion of how they can respond, as well as they have the link to, they have the information for the book, In week 4, interacting with defiant students. Very much the same. However, this discussion forum task will actually ask them to only describe the conflict scenario between a student and administrator in their building, and then post that, and their peers will actually respond by completing the analyze and reflect portions of the DAR template. They can use the DAR template, or they can just simply say what they analyze about the scenario and their ultimate reflection. The idea is that they will actually use these strategies that they have learned in the course as they reflect. You will see that I have a couple rubrics hidden. Because this is a heavy discussion forum, I wanted to not have so many tasks for the principals to turn in, because they are very busy. So my grading format is very simple, where there is one worksheet they will turn in, and then the rest will be posted through discussion forum, and it will, if they complete their parts of the discussion forum, then they will receive their points. Okay, well, that's all I have for my course, and I look forward to your feedback and your thoughts. Thank you.